welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into your Crunchyroll app. For that you just need to open your Crunchyroll, and this is your login page, and tap on create account button. And now what you need to do is you need to tap on your email address and enter your email address over there. Let me just copy it and paste it on my, and this is my user ID, and now I need to create a password. And after that, tap on create account button. Now it will show you subscription plan. You can take a subscription, and you can also try their free trial, and I will skip it for now. And it will show you and now you need to manage your profile. You get your one profile, and if you need one more, or you need to add more profile, you need to take subscription and tap on your profile. And that is how you can sign up into your Crunchyroll account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.